everyone! Welcome to my channel! So today, we will be unboxing two different kinds of products, a stand mixer and a multifunctional electric baking pan. So ito yun sila. This one is the stand mixer, okay, and this is the multifunctional electric baking pan. Hindi ko alam bakit baking pan, pero ito yung ginagamit for Samgyupsal. And this is Miss Salvatore J. She is the owner of Salvatore J by Jerry Salvatore. Okay, mag-open na tayo ng product. So this is the Masidi stand mixer. It has, of course, a mixer. Ganito siya kaliit. And it has 7 types of speeds. It has 7 speeds control, comfortable stand, removable bowl, and beaters release button. 2 beaters for eggs and cream, and the 2 dough hooks for mixing dough. But the catch is, you can use it for only 5 minutes. If nasobran siya, it might overheat. So if ever mag-beat kayo, or if you need to beat an hour, you have to cut it every 10 minutes para safe, hindi siya masira agad. Now this time, let's open the Angshi. Wow, it's made from China, I think. It's quite big. Okay, well packaged. So this is the Angshi. Love life, love cooking. Wow, ganda ng tagline. And this is how it looks like. We will try this later. Kaso, wala siyang instruction na nakalagay. But I think this part here, kung saan ka mag-grill ng meat, like for Samgyupsal. And I think diretso na siya. Open this. Let's put it on. Anyway, kaya naman sa kamay lang. I'll fix this later. So, eto siya. I don't know what this is for. Let's find out later. And we're ready to plug it in. Ito yung saksakan niya. Kailangan siya ng adapter. I don't know if kaya yung regular adapter natin. Hindi ko mabasa. Ayan. It's Chinese.
Oh, ba't di na ginagalang? Ay, mo!
Ano ang masasabi mo sa bagong Samgyupsal set?
Oh my God, it's so exciting, you know. But, okay, kakainin nyo and you have to cook by your own.
I thought you were going to eat that. Oh, orange. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What are you doing?
I like that stuff. Dapat ko it's the food.
If you like the video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up and please subscribe and click that notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.